Here is a tour of my 966 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. I like to consider it as a minimalist style. In the entranceway there is a coat closet, laundry closet, which includes washer dryer, water heater, and then it is the living area here. Various seating arrangements. Not a lot of tables and shelves though, so I just store things on the chairs or on the floor, windowsill. And this is the balcony. I used to keep my free weights out there. And this corner here is empty. I have my theater seats here. Back across the living room, a built-in study nook with table, shelves. I use it as an entertainment center, TV, gaming console, DVDs, games. Over here is the kitchen. It's kind of a galley style, one thin strip, all appliances lined up, countertops, cabinets, one thin walkway to the next section. This linen closet I use as my pantry actually. More space, more shelves. This is the common bathroom. It has 2 doors, go from one room to the next. Garden sized tub. Here's one of the bedrooms. I use it as a study, office, reading nook. Tables, shelves, books, magazines, binders, textbooks, paperwork, filing, receipts. Sort of a hodgepodge of things. And down here is my power station, EcoFlow Delta Pro. If the power ever goes out, the electricity goes out, I can just plug in a lamp, space heater, radio, whatever electronic devices I can think of, even appliances. And depending on which device or electronic it is, this thing can power it for maybe a few hours to a few days until it needs to be recharged again by plugging this into the wall outlets. I don't have the solar panels, so that's the only way I can do it. One of the closets here, I use it as a drying rack, put clothes out of the laundry, hang them up. I do take down the doors for the closet so I can have it open. It's easier for me to keep a running mental inventory of what I have and how much I have on hand if things are out in the open. So that's kind of a running theme. I don't really keep a lot of stuff in my cabinets. Across the kitchen into the primary bedroom, which includes the primary bathroom, smaller tub but higher ceilings, and another closet with the doors taken off. I really like my organization, storage system, and back into the main area. And that's it for the tour. Thanks for watching.